This is what I use the extended arm for, right? I zip tied it, but I don't need to extract it. If you need to put it back, you're not gonna zip tie it, but you could Velcro it if you want. That's an option. Now I have a 80D, a Canon 80D. It's very heavy. I put a different head on the top so I could move it different directions. I could even do it sideways. I could put it down at the side instead of a single angle, which will stabilize it, but then it makes it heavier on one end. Now, I like the shocks that it has, and I'm able to move it back and forward anywhere I want. Right now, it is set up so where I want it pretty much here where it's going to go on the table. Right now, I moved the mess. I have a mess in the table, so. But look at this, how long it is, guys. I've stabilized it, and then I end up buying another one because I'm loving it. So this is the light I have in here, and this is gonna illuminate this entire area when I'm doing filming, when I'm doing conferencing, pretty much anything, gaming, everything that has to do. I put in that right there. That's how long it is. I ended up liking it. I bought my second one because of that. So I have my camera on one side, lighting in the other one, and maybe another one later down the line when I get a little bit bigger place. But look at this, guys. The shocks works great. I extend it. You could add different, you could even add a feature in there. It has an extra feature, so you could add, if you guys could see, like you could add another camera or something right next to it, another light. You got multiple lights, but I am going with this. So very simple. Like the whole setup. I like that it has the second option. Hope you guys enjoy the video.